Today I'm gonna make a rap battle by myself. You know, one thing you're supposed to know about me is that I'm very awkward and just I'm dumb, but I'm weird. Let's get started with this rap! So my name is Bricia. I'm 9 years old. I have 2 sisters, one's Carolina, one's Vera. Yeah, and I live in USA. I don't live in China or anything like that. But I want to go there. I don't know why. Seems cool. And I live in the USA. I'm seen there. And I live in the Northwest. So, my neighbor's my best friend. You see, I'm really bad. I know what I'm thinking. Oh my god. Help. Hello. Okay. Today, I'm going to be mixing slime. So, by me mixing slime, this is the first slime. It's very hard. It's not that stretchy, as you can see. And I'm gonna add shaving cream, because if I add all of these hard slimes together, it's gonna be like solid rock. Just kidding. Okay. But I'm only gonna add a little bit of each. So here is this glittery slime. This one, I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna add a little more, people. Yeah, this is good. This is good, right? Yeah, it's good. Wait, let me get this chunk of this one. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, there's another slime. It may look the same, but the other one that I just showed you, the other blue one, has glitter in it. This one doesn't. And also, the other one has already been mixed. Close this one. Has already been mixed by a different slime. I think it was a green slime. It wasn't this one. I don't know. So this is it. It's so pretty. Pretty. Oh, heck yeah. So I am going to be making a sandwich. So here I'm going to add this one. And then I'm going to add the moldy meat and the bread with seeds. Ready? It's already sticky. My slime isn't sticky. If it was hard, it would not be sticky. For me. Oh. For everybody. I don't know. Anyways. So, let me show you. Look how beautiful it looks. So beautiful. So, I'm going to add this. Look how hard it is. You can't. You can hear it though. I can hear it. So, I am going to add the shaving cream now. Blow away. Okay, I'm mixing it now. Ready? Oh my god. Where is it? Oh, you can see it. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? It's just shaving cream now. It disappeared. Just kidding. It's right here. You probably already knew that because I was trying to hide it. Anyways, I gotta rip it apart so it can get everywhere. And now, while I'm doing this, hands are getting softer. And slime is getting better, and I'm also getting a little bit messy. But not so messy like, you in trouble, lady. My mom. Chancla. Anyways, I'm weird. I'm also boring, I think. Am I boring? Is this boring? Comment down below. Is this boring? Please don't hurt my feelings, though. That's not what I meant. Comment down below, where do you think I live? But I'm not going to really answer to you. So, yeah. But I just want to know. I'm just curious to know what you guys think about where I live. Oops. It's kind of sticky now. If you guys know what I'm talking about, when you make slime, it kind of gets sticky when you put in the shaving cream. I don't know why, but my nose is twitching. I'm not doing it. I swear I'm not doing it. Okay. So number 1. My neighbor was supposed to come in, but she is super late. Okay, I'm weird now. I can't. I have to stop. Oh, neighbor. Oh. You see, look. It's so messy. Kind of. It's pretty. It's rippy when you put it. Anyways. One thing. Watch it slam. Oh, neighbor. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, sorry. Ah! My neighbor is not coming, so I am afraid she left me. Maya! How dare she? She left me. So I am almost done with this video. And if she doesn't come, you won't be able to see her until the next video. So I am almost done. You guys ready to see? Sorry, not exactly ready. I'm not ready. You guys may be ready. Are you guys ready? Comment down below if you were ready by this point. But I bet everybody was. Unless somebody was like, what's gonna happen? Hello, I've been doing this video for like forever. You missed it.
You did it without me again? She did it without me again. How dare she? I want to feel it.
No, you do your rap battle. She's gonna do a rap battle by herself.
What's up, people? My name is Maya, and I'm 9 years old. I'm gonna do my rap, and that's so good. I like this line because it's so stretchy. And then this is my neighbor, Alicia, and she's 9 years old. And I known her like almost all my life. I known her since she was 2 years old. And we grew up all together. So give us this video a thumbs up, please. I'm sorry for my blue thumb. Yeah, and my thumb and my grammar is so bad, and my rapping is so bad too. Leave a thumbs up if you like my rapping. If you don't, then leave a subscribe and say don't like my rapping. It's okay for me because my brother is better at rapping actually.
So here is the result of the slime. It actually looks really pretty.
I'm gonna do my slime by myself.
Don't do it there. No!
Wait, I'm gonna do myself a slime.
Fine, but that's my container, you know. So here it is. It's so pretty, right?
I'm gonna do myself an own slime.
Yeah. Next video we'll see. Thank you. Bye.